The Ministry of Defence has signed a 445 crore rupees deal with Rosaeronexport for Tunguska air defence systems to enhance protection against drones and cruise missiles, and a 413 crore rupees agreement with Boeing India Defence Private Limited for indigenous depot-level maintenance of P-8I maritime patrol aircraft. Airbus is studying the feasibility of establishing ATR regional aircraft final assembly line in India. The U.S. Under-Secretary of Defense for Policy Elbridge Colby has said that the United States sees strong potential for co-production and co-development of military equipment with India, and his remarks come as both sides move closer to finalizing a landmark agreement for the joint manufacturing of F-414 fighter jet engines in India. India has urged the US side to ensure timely delivery of the Excalibur ammunition, which was signed under a 300 crore emergency procurement deal. Haryana-based DroneVerse has showcased its Rudra drone to the Indian Army, highlighting its capabilities for tactical operations, surveillance and battlefield deployment. The Indian Army has activated 6 Shaurya squadrons, integrating advanced drone capabilities into tank regiments for surveillance, precision strikes and electronic warfare. Ashok Leyland has developed a 4x4 mine-protected vehicle for counterinsurgency roles. The Defence Acquisition Council is set to approve multiple major procurement proposals that include 60 medium transport aircraft, 5 additional S-400 air defence systems, 4 squadrons of remotely piloted strike aircraft for the Indian Air Force, 800 km range BrahMos cruise missiles, and 300 additional Dhanush howitzers. China has showcased tests of its Atlas strike system, demonstrating the ability to control a swarm of up to 100 drones. The centralized architecture enables a single operator to coordinate nearly 100 loitering munitions simultaneously, highlighting advances in swarm warfare capabilities. The Indian Army is set to place a huge order for the 800 km range BrahMos cruise missile, expected to be cleared in an upcoming high-level Defence Ministry meeting. When deployed in the northern and western sector, the 800 km BrahMos will bring all major Pakistan air bases and army bases within its strike range. When deployed from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, its extended reach will also enable targeting of Chinese warships deep in the Indian Ocean. The DRDO is preparing to test the Shaurya-NG upgraded canister-launched hypersonic quasi-ballistic missile with a 1,000 km range that features an indigenous multi-mode seeker combining imaging infrared and active radar, capable of maintaining guidance despite plasma sheath formation at speeds above Mach 7.5. The Shaurya-NG follows a quasi-ballistic trajectory at around 50 km altitude, allowing in-atmosphere maneuvering, and executes hijinking maneuvers in the final 30 to 60 seconds, making interception extremely difficult. It uses a cold launch canister system with 15 years storage life, and can be deployed from a transporter erector launcher within minutes, improving mobility readiness and battlefield survivability. India's AMCA is introducing a unique approach with modular internal fuel tanks that will fit inside the weapons bay, allowing extended range without compromising stealth. The DRDO is also developing low observable external fuel tanks with reduced radar signature that can be carried for extended range and dropped before entering contested airspace. AMCA's dual approach of internal modular tanks for stealth movement and low-profile external tanks for combat flexibility aims to balance endurance, survivability and operational effectiveness. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.